Dear friend, today we'll discuss about the React router, how it will work. So, first question is what is React router? So let's move on this. So what is React router? React router is a library that provides the routing capability for the React application. Routing means handling the navigation between the different view. Different view means different pages we can navigate into the single pages. So React router is a standard routing library for React application. It is enabled to you create multiple page in your single page application, handle URL parameter and query string, and manage the browser history and navigation, create the route and layout, implement protected route for authentication. So these are the basic concept. If you want to protect it, means you can go implement inside the SRC. Okay, and manage the browser history. So you can go inside the browser history, you can check it, the navigation, handle browser history means if we have browser history, just go on the view source code and no, sorry, if you want to like that browser history, and this is and this is the browser history. No, this is the different thing. I think we can, because we have opened inside the Chrome browser, and so you can history. So through the Copilot, you can look at this, search the browser history, most recent page, localhost, this is the environment, Google account login page, Gmail workspace. So all browser history, this is localhost, refresh. I think not will work. So we can go with the Chrome browser. So now let's complete to that concept about the routing. So you know the routing. So for the developing the routing application, you would need to be install npm React Router DOM. So we have already installed. If you want to install, so just go here and go to terminal, and here you can just copy paste npm install and the name of React Router. Name of React Router. So it will, once you enter, then it will install. Because of why we need it. So here needed the routing libraries. If you can see here, import browser routes, link, outlet, all libraries are come from the React Router DOM. So now, so what is objective of this routing? So this is first thing, create a multiple page in your single application. So you see now we have create home, this is the home page, product, here we have written the product, and the product page, navigate this, the product, car, bike, and this is the outlet. inside the outlet something you want to write, so you can write here the outlet, close the outlet. Okay, and car product. Here this is the car product, car, Audi, BMW, and bike product. We have some function because we are writing the multiple component in single page. This is the bike product component. This is the home component. This is the product component, and this is the car component and bike product component and contact component, and thereafter we are writing the app component inside. We are building all these components into the single page. So you see here route browser. Here we have something we have not written, navigation. So just we had nav, link to home, product, contact, and route. Route means if you click on home, so it will route to the home page, and route if you click on the product, it will route to the product page, and if you write the car, it will route to the car and bike, and route path contact, it will route contact. So this is routing concept. These are the coming inside the child. This is the product route. Inside we have route. This is the element, car, something. So we can define here. If you want to like that, you want to write contact, and if you want to write more, one function, one component, define function help. Okay. So here, how do you write? Simply return h1 and help. Okay, just I am giving example. So similar, that's all thing you can route inside the browser routers. You simply you write a router. Here you can write a route, and here you can give the path name. Path is equal to help, and the name of element is equal to, you can write here inside the curly braces, help. That's it only. So you simply write in this way. Okay, this is the routing. For example, I want to restart no, I think it is already running. This is already running. Terminal is already running. So what we can do, that we can run again, and no, I think this is This is the home product. If you click on home, you can click on product. So this is showing the product page, and inside the product page have a car. This is the car. If you have in product page, you have a bike. You can show the bike. Contact detail. This is the comes, but the question is remaining that the help is not coming here. So what is behind that? This is the route and contact. Here I have not linked. This is the help. So help, because of we need to write help, and here I am writing help. So this is the component in routing to this help component. Here linking to help component inside the browser router, inside the nav, and this can be write a help, and here we can write a help. So now we can say it is giving the error help is not defined. So why? Because of help is not defined. Where is not defined? So this is the home page, this is the product page. So here the problem is that so problem is here. Here we can write help. Okay. This variable is having problem, so that can sort out. Now let's see, it is running a warning, and we can go this is this is the help is coming. So the problem is coming like that. What happened inside this can be give the space here, you can get the resolve the problem. Now you can phrase it. This is help, this is the contact, this is the home, this is the home page, this is the contact, but here is nothing showing. So why it is not nothing showing? So let's see, come here, just we go the link and home page, H1 home page. So now So that element is contact. Element is contact. Okay. So now route path name you can give this help something. Uh, help and so now it is showing help because of this some kind of variable issue is there. So that has been resolved now. This is the help page. Okay. So how it is work? This is the app and this is the single page base. We can route the multiple page within single page. So this is the behaviors of routing concept. So how it is work? This is app. This is can have configured inside this React DOM use. This is given the ID and render this app this component. I am the single page component. I am just this app.js means that is the component. So that I am rendering here. So whole page would be rendered and this is ID we can call inside the public index.html. So this is the calling mechanism. Here you can see that would be show root. So that is our displaying here this home page, product page, contact page, help page. Okay, so this is the concept of routing. I think hope you are understand about the routing concept. So routing concept is nothing the multiple page we can route into the single page. So that is the basic concept of that. So here you can generate the multiple the component inside the app page and write the logic. But here most important thing about that, this feature should be browse router, routers, route, link and outlet. All things should be come from the React router DOM library. So that library, if you are facing through the compilation, so if you check this libraries are installed or not installed, so just you install the npm install react route DOM. So it will be installed, so that functionality should be work. So this is all this component we have inside the function based component inside the function app. Here I am just using the browser route inside navigate the all link. We define the link here and route the all associate component. Here give the name of path because of this is the home page, so it is comes into the single. They give the name of home, so this is the name of component. This is the path. You can specify it and give the component name. Element is equal to component and car. Inside this we have route path car and this is the car product bike. Here I have a bike product contact. This is the route. It is comes under this routers. Okay, this router because of all these are comes under this you can see here products are come into this, right? This is comes into this. So accordingly we can define it. So these are the basic concept of the routing. So I hope you are able to understand about that. So if you have any issue regarding to how to design the function based component, how to design um, um, class based component, how to design, I will make it in next video then publish. But the basic function based component and this basic functionality you can go inside the previous video and you learn about that. So I will give in the descriptions, so you will able to understand about the basic concept of React and how to install, how to start working on the React. So lot of things we have here. So thank you so much watching to this video.